Good afternoon, Faith. We're very close to the state wrapping up its closing arguments here in Ventersdorp. As you said, State Prosecutor George Beloy dismissing Chris Mahlangu's claims that he was sexually assaulted, calling it just a made-up story. Joining me now, I have the NPA's Mthunzi Maga, who will just give us a brief summary of the state's main argument in court this morning. Mthunzi, George Beloy asking that both of the accused be convicted on all the charges.
Basically, we relying mainly on the confessions that accused number one made, who is the adult accused, and also the fact that he failed to take the court into his confidence by not taking the witness stand, because they closed their case without testifying. But insofar as the minor accused is concerned, we're also relying on the admissions that he made to the accused, to the police, which implicated him. So it's not going to be easy in respect of the minor accused, but in respect of accused number one, this one is in the bag.
But how confident are you of a conviction, or at least conviction on some of the charges? Because in his plea explanation, he admits that he was on the crime scene, the minor accused.
Which is why we're saying, in as far as housebreaking is concerned, we think we can get him on that one. But in respect of the murder charge, it's not going to be an easy one.
George Beloy saying in court this morning that these were just made-up stories by Chris Mahlangu in respect of the sexual assault because there was no physical evidence.
He's basing an argument on the evidence that was presented before court, that in fact when he was assaulted and killed, he was lying on the bed. So it's highly unlikely that he would have been sodomized before that incident.
But you're confident ahead of judgment, which is expected next month?
Look, we've put up a formidable case. We've put up a very strong argument today, basing it on evidence that is credible, that is valuable evidence that is clearly going to convince the court to rule in our favor.
You heard it there, Faith. That was Mthunzi Maga from the National Prosecuting Authority saying that the state is confident in its case ahead of the judgment that is expected next month.
Thanks to our reporter.